here is the hazardous weather outlook. This hazardous weather outlook is for southeast New Mexico, southwest Texas, and western Texas. Day 1, today and tonight. There is a high risk for severe thunderstorms tonight across portions of southeast New Mexico and western Texas. The main concerns with the strongest thunderstorms will be The National Weather Service in Midland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Glasscock County in western Texas, southeastern Midland County in western Texas, Reagan County in western Texas, eastern Upton County in western Texas, until 8:30 p.m. Central Time. At 7:23 p.m. Central Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Garden City to 12 miles west of Reagan County Airport, moving east at 60 miles an hour. Hazard, 70 miles an hour wind gusts and half-dollar size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Big Lake, Rankin, Garden City, Reagan County Airport, Stiles, Midkiff, St. Lawrence, and Best. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The current time is 7:24 p.m. Central Daylight Time. The following are the 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time area weather observations. At Midland International Airport, a thunderstorm was reported. 65 degrees. The wind was south at 40 miles an hour. The pressure was 32.75 and steady.